is how we edit video 2 a.m. and I'm trying to edit and watch you. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Burhan Bey ne yapıyorsun?
Patates kızartıyorum. Bugün misafirlerime patırında patates yapmak istedim. Seveceklerini düşünüyorum.
Başka ne var kahvaltıda?
Fıstıklı yumurta yapmayı düşünüyorum. Sigara böreği yaptı eşim.
Sleeping pretty. 1 p.m. English.
No, mentira, it's 10 a.m.
Too late.
I woke up 3 a.m. I woke up 6 a.m. I woke up 7 a.m.
Come on, you wake up 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. Time to eat.
Yeah.
Yes, it's samosa.
Because you do the video, I need to put on makeup.
Siz hoş geldiniz. Şu anda ekşi mayalı köy ekmeği kesimi işlemi yapıyoruz. Isıtıp üzerine tereyağlı, kaymaklı bal sürerek yiyebilirsin. Not try. What is this?
You, Amor. You, because you're 35 years and you can do that. Because you're electrical engineer, right? Delicious. Tea, chai, tea break, egg, French fries. What else? See you later. I will show you how is the breakfast in Turkey. Turkish breakfast.
Coming soon.
Oh, French fries. What is this? This is so delicious. This is like cream cheese. Yeah, this name is kaymak from milk. Honey, tomato, cucumber, all the time. This cheese, olive, sucuk.
Yumurta. Your favorite? Which one is your favorite in this table?
Everything.
No.
Y muy turco. Viene el chai. How much?
We will try. I will try
They
to.
put what?
Olive oil and something like this. When it is hot, butter, honey.
Bir de içeceğim şöyle.
So good. Good. Okay.
She slept good. She drank milk. Now she's enjoying her time.
We're doing Turkish coffee and we will put milk with water.
Okay.
Delicious. Ready.
Ready. And I want to win the video.
So
Come in.
always with water and Turkish coffee.
And sometimes with Turkish delight, but
Too much, no?
yeah, after breakfast.
These
No.
Turkish people like to eat a lot, huh? A lot, all the time. All the time. Cheers.
It's not cold, but windy. So we will go to our neighbor to collect olives. No. No.
Wow, look at this. Wow.
Lina is bronzing with her mother, but her mother wear clothes like she will go to mountains. What's the name?
Pomegranate and Turkish eye.
Cold, huh? You always look good, Bella.
Vitamin D. Vitamin D.
Vitamin D for baby and auntie. This is olive.
Look different, no? It's green.
Yeah, he say this one is green. Like we will make cut in the middle, and it will be green olive with the cut.
Okay.
It is easier than hazelnut.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, mix here and then try hazelnut.
one, huh?
Green, big ones. Only green, not purple. Turkish hospitality.
What?
When you put it in the water with salt, so because you cut water and salt will go inside, and this you ate this like this, no? In the hot, it's too
Vamos a comer las aceitunas que están fresquitas.
fresh.
Fresh. ¿Qué pasa? What happened?
Fresh.
At first, my husband.
Oh, good.
Sí.
Evet.
Try it.
¡Qué asco! It's really bad. Prueba para que veas cómo es el sabor de la aceituna fresca.
Amargo. Vamos a comer.
He likes. Prueba para que sepas cómo es la aceituna fresca. Jugadito.
Too strong.
Ajá.
So when water and salt go inside, it make it more soft.
Ah, okay.
Same thing as same, but not alcohol.
Blackberries.
Blackberries without alcohol. And this one is the regular black. You can see, yeah, this looks like what we eat in the breakfast. It will stay a little more. But this one is what we will do today. You can see all cut.
Here.
And it will be different one.
We are ready to go and fish.
Fishing.
Fishing. You ready? Let's go. What happened? What are you doing?
So our neighbor tied this,
Uh-huh.
but my father threw and it was broke. So I'm trying to tie, but I don't know how to tie.
Okay.
I will tie in my style.
What is that, amor?
It is fake fish, like fake food for fish.
We usually put in Peru. We usually put food,
Yeah,
real
yeah.
food.
That's why we cannot catch. When you throw this one, you need to move this.
You need to move forward, and the fish will follow
And
you.
it blows. Gelmez dönmesi gerekmiyor.
Mamá, no muevas.
It was tried, so it is working. Now I will throw real one.
Okay. Wow. This is the first time Batu is doing this activity, so it's normal. El gato cree que es pescado. Como no pueden pescar nada, están jugando quién tira la cuerda más lejos.
1, 2, 3. No. So I came and sell the fishes here. I catch lots of fishes, lots.
Yeah, I
It was
know.
good.
It was really good. We couldn't before.
We sold that to the supermarket. I can show.
Yeah. All these fishes
Yeah.
by Batuhan.
Thanks to Lina.
We should buy this for the house.
What it says?
Miracle.
Rahatlatır, ağlatır, konuşturur, ısmarlatır. Ismarlatır.
Nelly's, maybe try. Which one, huh? This one. This purple thing it was pickles water.
And it was little bit.
Look at these special ice creams. I think all of these are delicious in Turkey, yeah?
This one is crazy. Like you can find ice cream like long, and it tastes different, like crema.
Almost. This part and this part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it. What's the name? Marash.
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 So Marash is the ice cream. Yesterday we ate. They do the Turkish joke with the ice cream. It is Portugal.
Hoppa. Gel. Hey. Hadi. Hadi anla. Hang up. Yes.
Ice cream. It is the Marash style ice
It
cream.
was creamy, like
Ah,
was
it was good,
delicious. I like it.
So it is Marash cream. Marash is the city southeast.
That kind of ice cream.
Yes.
Okay.
It's good. It's
So
famous
you know,
with ice
you
cream.
know.
And it's famous with
Okay. ¿Qué hacen? What are you doing? They're bathing Lina. Okay, who is here? Burhan. In the barbecue. Barbecue time. Teşekkürler.
Rica ederim.
What food do we have? Köfte?
Köfte, chicken.
Ah, delicious. What? No! Look at me, babe.
Bak maden çocuğu olduğunu nasıl koyayım?
Disfrutando de la vida. Su parrillita. Su vinito. Y aquí, agua. Por allá, Raquel. A ver. Un padre es un padre.
end of the day. What do you want to say?
We have fun today. We did different things today, and you can see Batu fishing. We fish many fishes. We ate delicious Turkish breakfast. Hello, cheers.